Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll in order to find privacy protection. Now let's enter special permissions and find the option install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course you can change it, just find the app, tap on it and tap on the switcher. As you can see here, we've got the warning, the danger that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that. Before we will be able to continue, we have to tick this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. So let's tap on OK. As you can see, it is right now active, and from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content, some apps. Of course it will work the same with all other apps, and if you want you can remove all previously granted permissions. Just tap on the Chrome in my case and tap on the switcher again, and as you can see the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.